Are you thinking about installing solar panels on your Northern California business, but you're not sure if solar is right for you? West Coast Solar shares 3 factors you ought to consider to help you make an informed decision. Does your business require a considerable amount of power to operate? Solar panels can reduce or eliminate monthly utility costs to offset your overall operating costs, which may help improve profitability at the same time. Are you concerned about the upfront cost to install solar? Business owners can take advantage of the 26% ITC tax credit, which was extended to the end of 2022 to offset the initial cost of the installation. Is your business or commercial property operating in Northern California where the cost of electricity is high or continues to rise? Powering your business with solar energy can help safeguard you from rising electricity costs. When you're ready to make the switch to solar, West Coast Solar can provide you with a free on-site estimate, a custom design, and calculation of your savings and return on your investment. Contact us today to get started.